Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to talk to you guys about things you could do right now to lose weight and see results immediately. So I am a certified keto health coach specializing in healthy keto and intermittent fasting. And I truly believe this diet is the best diet to get immediate results for weight loss. Now, it doesn't really work without doing the intermittent fasting. If you want to see results right away, you're going to have to do some type of fasting. I do a 16-hour fast and an 8-hour window of eating. So if you're trying to see immediate results, you have to keep your carbohydrates below 20 grams a day. Do not go over 20 grams a day if you want to see fast results. Now, for someone that doesn't want to lose that much weight, you can stay at about 50 to 70 grams of carbs a day and you will still be in ketosis. Now, the foods I recommend you eat on a ketogenic diet is healthy fats, protein, and a lot of veggies. And when I say a lot of veggies, I mean 7 to 10 cups a day to pump your body with a lot of nutrients and make sure they're organic. Make sure you're using olive oils, healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds are great, coconut oil is really good. And for your protein, I just want to talk to you guys about the protein. So at each meal, you could do 3 meals a day. Do not go over 8 grams of protein with each meal. If you go over 8 grams of protein with each meal, you're going to spike insulin. And insulin is a hormone that makes people gain a lot of weight. So you do not need a lot of protein to build muscle. I'm actually vegan and I don't eat any meat, and I have a ton of muscle on me because I do the intermittent fasting. When you do intermittent fasting and you work out on a fasted stomach in the morning, it raises your human growth hormone, and the human growth hormone preserves your muscle and actually makes you put more muscle on your body. So just make sure you are eating moderate protein, moderate fats, and a lot of veggies. The veggies on a ketogenic diet are unlimited. Make sure you're eating a ton. Now, like I said, for someone that is not trying to lose weight and you want to be healthy, you can also add some blueberries, blackberries, or raspberries in your diet. That's what I do when I'm making some of my protein shakes. So if you are trying to lose a lot of weight, stay away from all types of sugar and stay away from fruit, because the fruit is going to count as a carb and it's going to make you gain a lot of weight. So when you start cutting carbs and you add more fats into your diet, the fats are going to suppress your appetite. If you feel hungry after your meal, all you have to do is just add more fats to the meal to keep you going for longer. So just make sure, like I said, you're eating a ton of vegetables, moderate protein and moderate fat. If you guys have any more questions, please leave it in the comments below and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the bell notification so you don't miss another video from me, and like this video. Thank you so much again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!